morning students. Today we are going to see the activity 2 from the chapter fraction and decimals. Okay, we have seen already the first practical or first activity. Now we are going to see activity number 2. Okay, to learn, first I will explain this practical, then I will show you how to do this practical. Okay, now the objective of this practical to learn the multiplication of a whole number with a fraction. Okay, multiplication of whole number. Suppose I will take 6, and this is 6 is what? Whole number. 6 is what? Whole number. If I multiply this by half, then what will be the answer? Now we will see the practical. In general, we can say 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Then 3 will be the answer. But in the practical, we will see how to find the answer from this practical. Okay. Now the materials required for this: drawing sheet, glaze paper, geometry box, baby stick, a pair of scissors. Okay, now see in this lab manual book there are glaze papers are there. Okay, there are color glaze papers. Now I will show you. See, these are the glaze papers. Now you have to use this glaze papers. In this practical, use red glaze paper. Okay, this one. Okay, now the procedure of this: let us find the value of knowledge required for this: concept of addition, concept of multiplication, concept of fraction. Okay, let us find the value of 6 into 2 by the activity method. First, take a sheet of glaze paper and draw a circle of radius 2 cm on it. Okay, so I have taken here glaze paper. Okay, now I will draw here, draw circle of radius 2 cm on it. First step, I will take 2 cm. Okay, now see here, take 2 cm radius. Okay, and draw a circle of radius 2 cm. Okay, I will draw here. Okay, now I have drawn here circle of radius 2 cm. Now the second step is what? We are going to see second step. In the second step, consider the circle plate as representing 1 and divide it into 2 equal parts by using scissors. Now each of these parts represent 1 by 2. Okay, now divide this circle with scissor. Divide this circle into 2 equal parts with the scissor. Okay, now see, like this we have to divide this circle, 1/2, and this will be 1/2. Okay, now I am going to divide this circle into 1/2 part and 1/2 part with the scissor. So like this I have divided this circle into 2 equal parts. This one is half, this one is also half part. Okay, now make 6 such parts using steps 1 and 2. Okay, they will represent 6 into half is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2. There is repeated addition of half up to 6 times as shown in the figure. Okay, now make 6 such parts. Okay, make 6 parts of this. Okay, now I am going to make 6 parts. Okay, see, now I have made 6 such parts. That is half, this one is half, 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 this one is half, this one is also half. Now the first step is what? By rearranging these 6 parts of circular paste, you will get 3 complete circles. Okay, 3 complete circular parts. Okay, now see, we have to arrange this, rearrange it and make 3 circles. Okay, now rearrange this like this. Okay, and here rearrange it. Okay, now there are total 3 circles. Now what you understood from this observation of this, we see that 6 into 2 is equal to, there is 6 times repeated addition of 1 by 2. Therefore 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, or you can write it as 3 circular plates. Hence 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to 3. This is very simple practical you have to do. And see, I will send image of this practical. Now you can do these steps, step 1 2 3 and 4. You can make the circles. Okay, and divide it into 2 parts like this. You have to make 6 parts. Okay, and now you have to do stick on the blank paper. Okay, directly you can stick these papers, these 3 circles. Okay, no need to do these steps, no need to stick these steps on the blank paper. Okay, I will show you, just wait.